Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, let's take a look at Ordiswap and see where we can land with a price target for the 2024-2025 bull run. But before we dive on into this, this is not financial advice. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. I am not a financial advisor, and while I appreciate that so many of you are hopping in here from all over the place, you've got to hit that subscribe button. I make price target videos every day at 6 a.m. Eastern time. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification button as well so that you don't miss a thing in this rapidly evolving crypto space. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive on into this. So I do want to point out, I did already cover Ordiswap fundamentally in another video. I took 5 minutes, looked at it. I like it a lot. I bought some. And if you want to know about fundamentals, watch this video that I made about a month ago in particular for my thoughts on Ordiswap. I have transitioned to talking about cryptocurrencies from just when it comes to price targets, from just looking at the raw data. I do have opinions that factor into this, but if you want more opinion-based research, then that's the video for you. And so Ordiswap is a very new cryptocurrency. It launched in December and then chopped for a while, then had a big move up in February and peaked in March as of right now. And so people got really excited about it during this big pump, and now it's just chopping again. And do I expect Ordiswap to go much higher than where it is right now? Absolutely. $37.62 million market cap. There's potential for this to go to $1 billion, maybe even more than $1 billion. So from that perspective, again, I do like this fundamentally. You can see that in the video that I already made, but I mean, we do have to do some work when it comes to the data in trying to figure out where we're going in terms of circulating supply, in terms of tokenomics, things like that. And unfortunately, the information that I have for you isn't all that wonderful. This is always going to be a concern with newer cryptocurrencies. And so let's break it down real quick. Did I miss something? Oh, here we go. So this is the breakdown of the tokenomics. You can see decentralized exchange liquidity, centralized exchange liquidity, community, team, treasury, rewards, initial liquidity, fjord, public sale, seed, private sale. So a pretty even breakdown. The biggest piece of the pie is 15%. And so, you know, that it is what it is with that. But then what I want to know is what kind of vesting this all looks like. And so here's the information that I found. Seed. 50 million Ords, 5% of the supply. Unlock 20%, 25% at TGE. That's the token generation event. No cliff, 12 months daily linear vesting. And you're going to see a theme here. So either some are fully unlocked, the liquidity, centralized exchange, decentralized exchange liquidity, all fully unlocked. But then we're seeing a lot of unlocks, you know, 25% at TGE, 10%, 10%, 10% at TGE, and then a very short cliff. And then 12 months of daily linear vesting for most of them, 6 months for the private sale. But then the longest cliff here is 3 months for the treasury. And that's pretty much it. That's today. That's about today that cliff has ended. And so all we're seeing right now is daily linear vesting for the rest of the supply. So this supply, which is right now 25.26% diluted, is going to be 100% fully diluted in April of 2025. And so what does that mean? I mean, that's a huge increase. That's a 4% increase in the supply of these tokens, a 400% increase in the supply of these tokens within a year. And it's going to be fully unlocked within a year. That just, to me, I don't want to call this a pump and dump because I do like this fundamentally, but what happens after this is fully unlocked? How are they going to keep the lights on? What are they going to do to earn income? That's when I see something like that, those are the kinds of questions I'm going to ask is, all right, what's after all of this? And I don't know. I mean, that doesn't make me bearish on it, especially not short term, but this is not something I want to be holding in the bear market. You know, maybe next bull run, throughout the next bull run, loading up on it in the next bull run. Yeah, definitely. But okay, I believe that this is going to $1 billion market cap. In terms of market cap, that's more than a 30x increase. I think that's a very generous projection for market cap. So then the question you got to ask, when is the total crypto market going to peak? If you believe it's going to peak more than 12 months from April 3rd of 2024, then you're talking about a cryptocurrency that is fully diluted and that's a 1 billion circulating supply. So that gives us a pretty easy price target. You know, $1 billion market cap divided by a $1 billion circulating supply, that gives us a price of $1 for Ordiswap. Now, I do want to say, yeah, I believe that this is an extremely generous target. The fact that Bitcoin has already crossed its all-time high as of the day that I'm making this video, not knowing where Bitcoin's going to go, but thinking that Bitcoin might have another 2.5x in it, maybe. For this, in terms of market cap, to do a 30x is very generous on my part. So I could even see it not hitting $1. But if you're watching videos and people are calling for this to 100x from where it is today, that is very unrealistic. I don't see it. Now, maybe we're going to go over $1 billion in market cap, but still a 100x given the tokenomics looking forward with this, it's not possible. It's very much not possible. I mean, man, yeah, we're up against some pretty significant things here. So they're not taking into consideration the fact that this is going to be fully diluted in a year. You're seeing, you know, the stereotypical crypto YouTuber with the shocked look on his face saying that this is going to 250x. I don't buy it, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section of this video. Where do you think Ordiswap is going? And otherwise, yeah, I'll see you in another video. Peace.